A technical target for Bitcoin is 180,000 late next year. Some people even calling for 200,000. You can see here, if we look at the bottom, which is 0%, and you calculate your 61%, you get your 100%, which we didn't quite reach it on this bull market, but calculating the same way, 0%, if we use this as a bottom, was 61% as our previous high, 100% would be $180,000. I think it'd be safe to bet anywhere between 150 to 180 is possible using this chart and technical analysis. Talking about Ethereum, one thing I'm all over in crypto is how deflationary Ethereum is only after one small increase of on-chain activity. So on-chain activity is picked up for Ethereum, and it's already becoming more and more deflationary. What happens in a bull market when after the Shanghai fork, most Ethereum is not available on the market? Currently, only 13% is staked. After the fork, it might get closer to the average 60%. Let's say 35 to be reasonable. So what he's talking about here is most people didn't want to lock up their Ethereum where they couldn't remove it. And so people are waiting for this fork to make it to where the lockup period goes away, and more people are going to start to stake their Ethereum using Coinbase, Binance, or some of these big centralized exchanges. That way, there's no fear of not being able to pull it back out. And so you're going to see more and more people just depositing their Ethereum on Coinbase, using it as the staking mechanism, joining their pool, and that's how we're going to get these numbers up closer to 60%, or at least over 35. Then if you add all that up, plus what's off of exchanges, you have a recipe for huge volatility. This is the chart between Ethereum and Bitcoin. So you have a bullish wedge here, and at some point, we're most likely going to break to the upside. People still believe that the flippening is going to happen, and the flippening meaning the market caps between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum is projected to pass up Bitcoin in total market cap. I think there's always going to be a use case for Bitcoin with a store of value, with governments purchasing in. But Ethereum is the security network, the internet that everything's going to be built off of. Let's see how it plays out. But an exponential bull market in a Metcalfe's Law deflationary asset that earns 5% yield is not something we're used to. It's not something we've really seen. It doesn't mean that's going to happen tomorrow. Now, if you feel like you've learned something and you're growing with me, go ahead and give these videos a like. It helps the algorithm and other people find my videos. Subscribe to my channel. We're slowly growing, and we're just preparing for what 2023 has to offer. Thank you.